Do you struggle with speaking English fluently? Do you hesitate while talking in English? Don't worry. I am Divyansh Pandey, an experienced English teacher, and I am here to help you. Many students face challenges in grammar, pronunciation, and confidence while speaking English. But with the right guidance and regular practice, you can speak English easily. So join my exclusive online English speaking course on IASdesk, where I teach daily English speaking practice, grammar rules made easy, tips to improve fluency, real life conversation, and exercises. Whether you are a beginner or want to enhance your skills, this course is for you. And the best part, you can learn from anywhere, anytime. So don't miss these opportunities. Enroll now and take your English to the next level. Click the link below and start your journey with IASdesk.